Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do another question of Olympiad in which we can solve this problem. We need to find the value of this question. In this question you can see the numerator are 22 square, 52 square plus 82 square minus 11 square minus 41 square minus 71 square, and the denominator is the cubic term 11 cube and 22 cube. So how to find the value of this? We are using just a trick in this question. You can see the 22 square and 11 square, okay, and 52 square minus 41 square and 82 square and 71 square. We will write some terms together. 22 square minus 11 square. Just change the position of the terms. This 11 square will write next 22 square in the next position of 22 square, and 52 square is as it is, and after that we will write 41 square. We will change the position of 41 square, and 82 square is as it is, and then after that minus 71 square. Okay, now you can see we are using the law identity, algebraic identity a square minus b square, and inside you can see the 11 cube and 22 cube is as it is. This 22 square minus 11 square, we are using the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So here the 22 minus 22 plus 11, a plus b, and 22 minus 11, a minus b. And in this 52 square minus 41 square is 52 plus 41 and 52 minus 41. Similarly, 82 square minus 71 square is 82 plus 71 and 82 minus 71. And in the denominator we are using, we will write these two terms as it is. Okay, after that we will solve these terms. 22 plus 11. 22 plus 11 is equal to 33. 33. Then 22 minus 11 is 11. Plus 52 plus 41 is 93. And 52 minus 41 is 11. Similarly, 82 plus 71 is 153. 82 minus 71 is the 11 upon 11 cube plus 22 cube is as it is. Now you can see the 11 is the common in the numerator. So we will take out the 11 common. So inside is 33, 93 plus 153. And you can see this 11 cube. Can we write this 22 cube? 11 into 2. 11 into 2 is 22. And the power is the cube, so we will write the cube as it is. 11 into 2, we will just split the 22 in the form product of 11 into 2 form. So here 11, and if you add these three numbers you will get the answer. You can see the 33, 93 and 153. We will not add right now, just wait for a minute. See what happened in the next step. Okay, so you can see the 11 cube is as it is, and this 11 into 2 is the cube. So can we write this cube separately in these two numbers? Okay, after that in this term 3 is the common number. That's why we will not add these three terms, because you can see easily 3 is the common. So here inside is 11 plus 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 31 time it goes, and plus 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. And in here you can see 11 cube and 11 cube. They are common 11 cube. So inside is remaining is 1, and here is the 2 cube. Okay. Okay, now see. This 11 into 3 is the you can see 11 into 3. Do not multiply it. See 11. Can we write this 11 cube? First of all, we will write 11 into 3 as it is. And now we will add these terms 11, 31 and 51. If you add this 11, 31 and 51, you will get 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 and 5, 3, 8 plus 1, 93. Okay, and in the denominator, this 11 cube we will split into 11 into 11 square. And it will be 1 plus 23, 1 plus 2, it is not 23, it is 2 cube, okay, the power 2 cube. So 1 plus 2 cube, 2 cube is 8, 2 cube is 8. So finally this 11 is cancelled out, and 3, and you can see 3 into 93, okay. So 3 into 93. And here the 11 square is 121 into 8 plus 1 is the 9. Now you can see 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 31 upon 121 is remaining. So the value of this long term is equal to 31 upon 121. I hope you have understood this question. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you and thanks for watching.